Are you a Texan that's fed up with expensive energy bills? Are you concerned about the grid failing and losing power? If so, I have good news. Texas Direct Solar can help. As a direct solar provider, Texas Direct Solar has fewer layers, no middlemen, so we are able to offer direct-to-consumer pricing. This means that at Texas Direct Solar, we don't charge those exorbitant commissions that other companies charge, which may add $10,000 or more to the cost of your system. On top of all of this, we are a family-run and Texas-proud company that provides best-in-class solar and battery backup installations to homeowners in the Lone Star State. If you're tired of high energy bills and being left in the dark during power outages, and would like to find out if your roof is oriented in the right direction to make solar make sense, then click the button on this ad to answer a few quick questions to receive a free solar energy savings report, which will provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision.